We're back to the next level. From struggle to sparkle. The Ann Curtis story. Punta tayo sa storya ng pagbabago niya dito sa Canada. So, the turning point, Ann. Dito lumiko lahat ng bagay, no? What was the one moment that you made say, enough, I need to create a better life for my kids?
When me and my partner never talaga nagkaayos. So we tried our best na on and off kami. Pero talaga may mga differences. And then I said to myself na I need to do something para if in case man na I become a single mom, can still give something for my children.
Yeah, because you have 3 kids now. And then may faith conflict doon and maraming mga misunderstanding. Is there a moment that you said to yourself na give up na ako?
Yes.
May ganon? May ganong
Yeah.
moment?
Yes po.
Ano nangyari?
Actually, when I was pregnant po, I'm working in the RBC for 9 years. Thankful naman ako kasi yung mga ka-work ko doon talagang nililift up nila. Ako
Umiyak
din,
ka talaga doon.
Umiyak
At
ako
yun
na
yung
po. Sila yung
moment na-
parents ko.
Oh my God. Pero meron kang baby sa
Yeah,
tiyan mo. no?
meron po. And then, I'm working in RBC and also I'm studying so as a massage therapist.
I see. So you
And I'm pregnant as well.
wow.
So, I did all of that. And then, ayun, okay naman kinaya ko kasi I have 2 children na nag-i-exist. And then, I'm still carrying another one too. So, yun yung naging motivation ko.
Okay.
Para mag-push through kahit sobrang hirap.
Yeah, kasi merong mental battle between you and your partner, right? Mahirap pagka sa isip nagkakaroon ng mga kaguluhan dala ng katawan, right? Susunod yung katawan doon eh. Sometimes, ang bigat-bigat pa ng dinadala mo, tapos meron ka pang anak. Pero, the good thing about you, from what I heard, is you keep moving because of the two more kids.
Yes po. Yes
Ano
po.
sinasabi mo sa isip mo ng mga panahon na yun?
Noong time na yun, kasi there are girls too like me. So, sabi ko, I don't want them to experience na nahihirapan sila. Especially they are girls po. So, I've been a lot of yung mga worst experience na sabi ko, I have to be there with them. And then, sabi ko na gusto ko lumaki sila na nandyan ako. And then, nabibigay ko yung para sa kanila na deserve.
May mga fun moment kayo ng mga bata.
Yes po. So, may mga times, that's why I started my business sa home base. Especially right now po. Hindi ko pa ako ready maghanap ng location. Talaga, thinking about my children. Hawak ko yung schedule ko. May times na we go out. So, we go to Galaxy Land, to the park po. I spend time with them. And then, we go out for their activities.
And that's quality moment.
Yes po.
Quality moment na for you is an outlet also
And that makes
to
me
strengthen
happy
you, to strengthen your bond with your kids, and lalo ka na motivate. And that keeps you moving forward. So, mga kababayan, mga single mom out there, kung nakaka-relate kayo sa ganitong istorya ng isang Ann Curtis, isang single mom, pinagugutan niya ng lakas ang kanyang mga iba pang anak. Hindi siya nag-give up. And shoutout sa mga kaibigan mo na nandoon sa tabi mo,
Yes po.
na hindi ka rin nila iniwan.
Shout out to RBC
Woohoo!
and Zumba.
Kung napapanood nyo to, paki-share, paki-like na din po. Ano? And we can see the light doon sa madilim na tunnel. Paano mo ito hinanap at paano mo to nakita?
I think, hinanap ko to sa sarili ko. Kasi I feel like, that time na parang napabayaan ko yung sarili ko, and then parang hindi ko na minahal yung sarili ko. All my time, I give it to my partner and to anyone na, I was
Para
begging.
ma-please lang sila.
Ma-please sila. I'm like, i-please them to love me. Like,
Gagawin
and
mo
then-
lahat.
Yes.
And you end up
Yes po. But
nothing.
I end up na parang it's wrong. So I decided to change it and love myself and my children.
How to love yourself?
love myself is like, I spend for myself,
Mhm.
like investing, going out with friends,
Mhm.
eating somewhere, dine in,
Mhm.
go movie sometimes alone or friends.
So, pleasing yourself.
Yeah, and then I go Zumba
Okay.
with
All right.
friends.
Great. Good.
Yes po. And then going out with my kids.
I saw a passage about how to love yourself or first love yourself. Isang quote na nag-trigger sa mind ko na sinave ko sa memory box ko. Start of loving yourself is the beginning of first love yourself. Like, pag nakita mong tanggapin yung sarili mo, doon magsisimula ang lahat.
Yes po.
So, what are the things na tinanggap mo na ikaw talaga ito?
I accept when confident na ako lumabas.
Mhm.
Even na I have in my past, sobrang, alam mo yung, I don't wanna see anyone. I just want to be in my room. But now po, I go out and then socialize with friends and then be confident.
Mhm.
And then, parang, alam mo, I can promote now
Yeah.
my business
There you go.
without any hesitation.
There you go.
Because it's all, you can see it in myself also. I changed. Unlike before na you can see me like super stressed.
Exactly. Kitang-kita sa kanyang itsura at figure na ang pagmamahal sa sarili, hindi lang minahal. Tinayo niya pa ang negosyo ng pagtuturo ng pagmamahal sa sarili. Kaya naman, ipinanganak ang The Flawless Skincare Ann Curtis. Bakit etong skincare business ang pinasok at hindi na lang magbenta ng kung ano-ano? Bakit? Ano meron doon?
In Philippines po, sobra akong exposed sa beauty.
Mhm.
So, I decided to do that here also. And also, yun talaga yung parang way ko treat myself.
Mhm. There
And
you go.
then, when I tried po to go out and then spend money, it's too expensive. So, I decided to study and how to beautify
Develop
myself,
your
develop
beauty.
myself.
Kaya mag-develop
Oo,
naman
oo.
talaga, no?
I study po and then share it to anyone na who needs. Na, especially yung mga single mom din na tulad ko,
Mhm.
na they came from relationship nila, hindi maganda, and then they need someone to talk to, na they cannot, help themselves na, ibalik yung sarili nila. So, I'm here. Not just inside, emotional, but also in outside. So,
Ang ganda ng storya kasi in relations to your passion at mahilig ka sa mga talagang beauty products and stuff like that. Binalik mo, ginawa mo pang negosyo. So, ito yung gusto mo, kumikita ka, nakakatulong ka. And this might be your ikigai, sinasabi nga ng ikigai. Do what you love, na makikita ka, na makakatulong ka, at masaya ka. Do you really love this business?
yes, I really love this business. I think I'm going to,
This is your retirement plan?
yeah, retirement. And also, I can see also my two girls, they love this business
There
too.
you go. Woo!
So,
Galing.
I can inherit it to them.
So, pinapasa mo na yung
Yes,
ano. And this is a way going extra mile from
Yes po.
from struggle to sparkle.
Yes po.
And this is the sparkle, what we're talking about, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, Ann Curtis, The Flawless Skincare here in Edmonton. Paki-follow, paki-like ang page nila. By the way, paano pala mag-book dito?
For booking po, you need to message me in my page, Ann Curtis Flawless Skincare Spa, or message me at 587-357-2519 and I can send you the booking link. And then po, just if you have any question, just don't hesitate po. Or for the consultation naman, it's free. So there's no charge for consultation.
Ang tingin ba ng isang Ann Curtis sa mga nakasalubong niya sa mall, sa church? So, you see people faces. You see people body language, right?
Yes
May tumatama ba minsan sa mindset mo, naku, pag pumunta to sa akin,
Yes po.
madidevelop pa to.
Yes po. So,
Can you please tell the audience na you have the eye?
So, I'm an observant person.
Mhm.
So, especially in physical po, yung sa face din.
The
So,
facial, yeah?
yes po. Once I look at you, I don't say it because I don't want them na
To offend, right?
ma-offend.
Mhm.
But, I can see now, I can still enhance her face
Okay.
or do something, or I can give you an advice
There you go.
if what to do to achieve your flawless skin.
There you
Yes
go. Flawless skin.
I don't want to first move kasi ayoko maka-offend.
Okay.
Oo. Pero nakikita ko.
There you go.
Nakikita ko, yun lang, I just keep quiet. And then if you really wanted me to help you, and syempre, as a human po, nakikita din natin, nararamdaman natin, or nakikita natin in the mirror na kailangan na natin enhance yung sarili natin to be confident din, di ba? So, I'm
And
just
why?
here.
And why, Anne? Why we need to really improve our self-confidence, our self-image to yourself and to everyone? Why? Bakit
Why?
kailangan ito?
This one po is to build your confidence po.
There you go.
Yan po. Kasi it's loving yourself din. Kasi hindi naman po na we love other people and please, or we love our kids, we love our partner, our husband. We also need to love ourselves. That's the importance. So we can, we can show up to other people na we're happy, glowing, like that.
Happy and glowing, not struggling forever.
Yes.
Being better and not
Mm.
bitter. So, visit Anne Curtis,
Yes po.
Flawless Skincare Spa.
It's all start with yourself po.
Yun, that's the word. It all starts with yourself. First, love yourself. Kaya naman, sa pagbabalik natin, this would be the last segment. Atin na maririnig yung mga secret ingredients, the 3 points going to the next level ni Anne Curtis. It's not about me.
It's not about you.
It's all about we to the next level.